after not a rough week, but you know, you have to treat yourself. After adhere to the diet and thing, a little place here, out on the dead inside near wings and things, have a vibes, you know. Yeah. Just sit down and mash up some wings and, you know, with a little vibes and watch that. This is the reason why I could not live in Kingston, where I came back to Mobile rapidly. Like, you know, have this at Kingston. So mash up some wings and I head in back here now and just feel good. It's like feel good Friday. You know what I mean? Right now you're not supposed to have nothing too rigid in your life where make you feel stressed. Yeah, so after eating grass for the whole week and then I go up on the scale to let me know if I'm hungry, I'm there 194 pounds. I'm not jump up yet. 194, but I'm hungry. Yeah, I'm come slap a couple of pieces of wings and yeah, feel good Friday.
So, we do much feature for much place, rings and things. River rafting over some place. Right now, I'm there at Rich's food stop on a great pan. Tell them what I'm facing. Mash up piece of fish. And escovitch fish and fried dumpling. I'm telling them. I'm going to have a preview of the place if you don't know. Look down the road. When you not enter Green Panda or Carnival Courts, right us up on the stretch, man. Tell them you have to stop, get some escovitch fish, get some fried saltfish, some fried chicken, some margaritas and all of these things. And some chop up. Pina colada. Yeah. Everything there.
Everything.
See? So I represent for
tea, mile of coffee,
see there?
Mint, fresh, everything fresh.
From Richie himself.
Yes.
See? From Richie himself. And Richie have a whole heap of years in the hotel industry and food industry and them things. Them man they are proper bartender and all of these things. So everything when you get a top shelf.
Top shelf.
Service, everything top shelf.
Fresh, not water though.
Not water though. So I'm showing you all of the little gems them. Cause you know we know some Pelican and them places, but we have some place, some real authentic place. You know, we also need some chop up and dumpling. I'm enjoying my fish, man. Yeah. Check out my channel. Yes. I have the whole of the acting them. So just like, subscribe and share. You know what I think. I'm out. You know.
Alright, people. So, you know, for the past 2 weeks, I have been doing the whole mental health decompression. You know, I go. So, I've been going to some places, nice places in Jamaica, just relaxing and, you know, taking in nature and just ensuring that, you know, mental health is balanced just the same. Still have been on my diet, but honestly, I don't walk not even 1 day. But you know, my neck no looks so bright. One time, you know, my neck, like my neck, I don't have the neck basically, so my neck does start from right there. But neck kind of look like it's like something not going for me. But anyway, I'm still up on the diet thing. But people, I don't walk not even 1 day now, you know, none of them exercise like push-ups and we do the dips, but no walking. Shame on myself, but hopefully today I'm gonna get some walking in. But I decided to try something this morning. Salad is just the same, but I say, yo, I try something now, see what I go on. Tell me what I think about the recipe here. Alright, so see the recipe here now, Zine. It's a medley of salad and fruits. So I have papaya in it, Zine. I have some cherry in it. My brethren alright give me some cherries. Cherry in abundance. I have some pineapple in there. So a piece of lettuce drop over here. So 5 seconds gone it. Anyway, yeah, so fruits and vegetable medley. Tomato, cucumber, lettuce, kale, papaya, pineapple, cherry. So I'll shell it down, you know. I'm not tasting it yet now. I didn't put any salt or nothing like that on it, it's just natural. But I'll shell it down now. I'm not telling you the honest truth how it tastes. Alright, no joke. I never too trust how it go taste. I think so, this go just taste like a grass, but it have a vibes. The pine with the lettuce and the tomato surprisingly have a buzz. I don't know that. Not taste bad at all. Yeah. I never something I discover or I want to know about them things like that. Know my fitness people, them as soon as we start eating them something in the comment section full up. So I know about the papaya and the pineapple and the tomato and the lettuce and them. Yeah man, it our vibes. Nah, like, try it. But now I just go like it tastes good. I don't know. In real life it don't taste so. It never tastes good. Not telling you straight up say it don't taste good. Yeah man, that's that one. Hey, I'm tell you this content. I'm tell you like that. This content and this YouTube thing is not easy, you know. So me there make a little entry a while ago. And I said, boy, struggle real car. I eat my 2 boiled egg already and I just 2 left now and I did feel hungry. Make a nice little video and thing and what's up boy, me look. The video I don't know what I'm to eat. I don't know what I'm to eat. Every day I make contemplate some boy, I just know all the laugh them when they laugh a while ago, you have to go laugh over my car. I tell you, not easy. But trust me, the struggle is real. I eat 2 boiled egg already and mash up my lunch right now. But if I eat the lunch right now, I'm trouble. You know, I think we need some snacks, you know, some healthy snacks in between breakfast and lunch. Yeah, I'll try that. Some ideas with some healthy snacks. I can munch pan during the breakfast lunch period. So, today is a rough day.